So what you want is a shingle that looks good. You want some homes are the roofs are more visible than others, and so with GAF, the manufacturer that we use, they have a wide variety of different design styles and colors that will fit with your house. But you also want something that's going to hold up to our extreme weather, and really that's more of a system than the actual shingles. Having the right components that go underneath the shingles are important to guard against ice dams, some of the snow and ice issues that we have here in Minnesota, plus the wind and hail and some of the things that we have to deal with in the summer as well. So GAF makes every piece of a roof system. They have ice and water shield that goes up the first 6 feet of the roof, and then all the felts and different underlayments underneath that, different ventilation systems, starter course, all of those different things that you need to build a full roofing system. The advantage of using the full roofing system and a contractor that's supported by GAF is that you get a 50-year non-prorated warranty, the Golden Pledge warranty on your system. Whereas if you just buy it off the shelf and have your neighbor put them up, you're not going to get that full warranty.